Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Instagram account to a business profile. This continues our series on Instagram tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Instagram, make sure to check out all of our other videos on Tech Talk. So Instagram has this really cool option where you can use your personal account and your business account at the same time, so you don't have to actually keep logging out of one or the other. So the first thing that you're going to do to make sure that you can have your business profile also set up on your phone is you're going to go to the bottom right. You'll see your profile picture from your personal account. You're going to click on that, and you'll see under your name here, if I click on Jensen Andrew, you'll see it pulls up some options here. So first what we're going to do is we're going to log in or create a new account. If we're just logging in, we can type that in right here. If we do have to create a new account though, we will come down to the very bottom where it says don't have an account, and you can hit sign up. So you can create your business account right there. Obviously it's the same exact process that you had with your personal Instagram to start there. Once you're logged in, anytime that you press on the same area, instead of asking you to log in or create a new account, you can just hit your business profile right here. And once you have your business profile set up, obviously this functions as your own business account. Right here you can scroll through your photos, you can do whatever you'd like, and you are all set. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great